In the hushed stillness before dawn, where modern life has yet to cast its digital net, lies the samurai's first and most profound lesson: the cultivation of a still mind. We live in an age of relentless distraction, a cacophony of notifications, curated personas, and endless consumption that scatters our attention and fragments our spirit. The samurai, by contrast, understood that clarity of action could only spring from clarity of mind. Through the rigorous practice of zazen, seated meditation, or the focused repetition of a tea ceremony, they honed the ability to observe their own thoughts without being ruled by them. This is not an escape from the world, but a deeper engagement with it. It is the path to discovering a core of unshakable calm beneath the ephemeral storms of emotion and circumstance. A silent self that modern noise desperately tries to hide from you, for a tranquil mind is not an easily manipulated one. From this cultivated stillness emerges the second tenet, the absolute unity of thought and action, a concept known as fudoshin, immovable heart. Modernity often encourages a life of compartmentalization, where our professional persona contradicts our private beliefs and our actions are divorced from our stated values. This internal schism is a source of profound anxiety and existential dread. The samurai, bound by the code of Bushido, sought to erase this divide. For them, a word spoken was a deed committed. A decision made was an action taken. There was no gap for hesitation, self-deception, or regret to fester. This unity is the essence of integrity, a state of being where your entire being is aligned toward a single purpose. It is a formidable power that cuts through the ambiguities and compromises of contemporary life, revealing a path where one walks with unwavering conviction. This conviction is tempered not in victory, but in a profound and graceful acceptance of transience. Mono no aware, the poignant awareness of the impermanence of all things. Our consumer society is built upon the denial of death and decay, selling us the illusion of permanence through material accumulation and the pursuit of agelessness. The samurai, by contemplating the cherry blossom, which is most beautiful at the moment it begins to fall, embraced the inevitability of their own end. This was not a morbid fixation, but a liberating awakening. By fully accepting that every moment, every relationship, and life itself is fleeting, one learns to pour absolute focus and sincerity into the present. The fear of loss loses its sting, and what remains is a profound gratitude for the opportunity to act with excellence and beauty right now, in this very breath. Ultimately, the samurai path culminates in the discovery of a purpose greater than the self, a dedication to service known as gai. The modern world often isolates us within a cage of self-interest, measuring success by personal gain, likes, and status. This hyper-focus on the individual ego is a lonely and ultimately hollow pursuit. The samurai found their strength and identity in duty to their lord, their community, and the ethical principles they upheld. This external anchor provided a meaning that was resilient and enduring. To walk the samurai's path today is to seek out your own noble cause, whether it be your family, your art, the pursuit of truth, or the betterment of your community, and to serve it with every fiber of your being. It is in this selfless dedication that you finally discover a self that is not small and separate, but connected, purposeful, and unbreakable.